In this video, I'm going to show you how to export data from Bitrix24. Now, there's a bunch of different things you can export. I'm going to show you some of the most common ones. First, we're going to go over CRM, so I'm going to click on over here. Here you can export things like leads, deals, contacts, or companies. So you simply want to go to the top here, select whatever you want to export, and make sure you switch to list, because if you don't switch to list, you won't be able to do this. From here, you can go and filter and then click on the settings cogwheel in the top right, and you can export leads or deals or whatever to CSV or Excel. I'm going to click on CSV. You can select these settings and click on run, and you're going to be given a file which you can then just click on the download button, and as you can see, it's going to download onto your computer just like this, and you've successfully exported. If I go to deals up top, again, you can go to deals over here, and when you are on the list view, you'll be able to go here and export the same way as well. Now, if you want to export something like tasks too, you want to go to tasks and projects. And then from here, you'll see that when you are on the list view, if you go to the top right and click on this cogwheel, there's the export to Microsoft Excel button. Same thing applies. You can click on the run button and then download it onto your computer as the exported file, okay? Now, pretty much anywhere where you can see the settings cogwheel, you can just go and click on it and check if the export button is available. And if it's not, go and switch to list view, and then it should be available. But if it's not, it means that that specific thing cannot be exported by default inside Bitrix24, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.